Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print multiple copies on one page in Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word. Then you simply need to click on File, go on to the print. Once you are here you can see option 2 pages per sheet. Click here, you can add 1 page per sheet, 2 page, 4 page, 6 page, 8 page and 16 page. And from here you can select the page size like A4 or up to you can select different sizes as well from here, and you can select sheets that how many pages you want per sheet, and after that you need to print that. So this is a process how you can print multiple copies on one page in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.